Assalamualaikum students, कैसे हैं आप सब? I'm your teacher Sana Muzaffar and I am back with a new letter on English, that is letter B. You can see on the board we have two letters on the board, capital B and then small b, capital B and then small b. We can also say them uppercase letter and lowercase letter, uppercase letter and lowercase letter. So tell me, what is the action of B? You can hear the sound of b, b, b. It has to with the lips. It has to come with the lips. B, b. This is not ba. This is b, b. So after the intro, we are going to do an action of B, and the sound of B is b, b. And action, you have to do it with me. First, show me your hands like this, and then place it here. Like we are going to play a cricket game. We are holding a bat. Put your hands here and then we have to do it like this. B, b. You are batting a ball. Like someone is throwing a ball to you and you have to bat on that. B, b, b. Yay! Do this action with me again. Place your hands and then go down like you are holding a bat. B, b. B. This is a sound of B. This is the sound of B. So you can see capital B and then small b. So let's start the reading from the book. So you can see in the book we have the letter B. Capital B, small b, capital B, small b. You can see here some pictures of letter B. So the first picture is of bat. This is bat. B, b, bat. B, b, bat. And this is the picture of ball. This is the picture of ball. So read this. B, b, ball. B, b, ball. This is butterfly. B, b, butterfly. A cute butterfly. B, b, butterfly. And then this is the yummy banana here. So read with me. B, b, banana. B, b, banana. B, b, banana. B, b, bat. B, b, ball. B, b, butterfly. B, b, banana. This is the vocabulary of B. You can see here in the big picture, here we have two boys. The name of the boys are Bilal and Babar, and they both are playing with the bat and ball. They are playing with the bat and ball. Bilal and Babar are playing with the bat and ball. B, b, bat. B, b, ball. B, b, butterfly. B, b, banana. How amazing is the vocabulary of letter B? This is the vocabulary of letter B. So after reading this, we are going to know how we can write the alphabet B. So after the introduction and vocabulary and also the sound of B, we are going to write B on the board. So you can see here we have 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I am going to write first here capital B. This is capital B. So starting from the first dot, we have to go down, down, down and touch the line. This is a standing line. Then after making a standing line, we will start from the first dot and then we will make a curve. Make a curve, go down, down, down and touch the middle line. This is the shape we have to make, writing a B. Start from here again and then go down, 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 make a curve and then come to the line. This is capital B. This is capital B. So we are going to write it again. First we will make a standing line and then start from the upper line, start from the first line, make a round, 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 come to the second line and touch the between area. This is the second line and we have to stop it here. Then start from here again, go down, 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 make a round and come to this dot. This is capital B. We cannot go out from the lines. We cannot write like this. The standing line is going out. No. Then we cannot. This is so big and this is so bad because this is not touching the middle line. And then we cannot make it like this. This is a wrong B. This is a wrong B. We have to follow the lines. We have to follow the lines. So this is capital. Now coming to the small b, coming to the small b or the lowercase b. We have to first make a standing line and then start from here, go down, down, down and then here. This is small b. Like this is the half part of the capital B. As you can see, this is the half part of the capital B. Right here again, standing line, then start from here, go down, down, down and touch this dot. This is small b. This is small b. Capital B and then small b. Now we are going to write this. You can see on this page we have the letter B. This is capital B. And here we have a picture of bat because it starts from the letter B. It starts from the letter B. You can hear the sound B before the bat. So we can write here, we have two dots on these four lines. Start from here and make a standing line. Then make a curve, start from here, go on the middle line. Then starting from the middle, go down and to the last line. This is capital B. This is capital B. Then right here, standing line. We are going to make a curve and then touch the middle line. Then from middle, go down, down, down like this. Then coming to this, we have to first make a standing line from dot to dot. Then make a curve and then come to the middle line. Then from the middle, go to the last line. This is the capital B. Then we are going to write it here, standing line and then curve and touch the line, curve and touch the line. This is capital B. Coming to the next line, we have to write here B, standing line and then start from here, make a curve, touch the middle line and then we have to touch the last dot. Start from the dot, come down, make a standing line, then you have to make a curve. Oh no, this curve is not matching the middle line, so this is wrong. We have to erase this. So I am going to erase this like this neatly and then we are going to write it again, standing line, then start from here, touch the middle line and then touch the last line. Now this is looking nice and happy B. After writing the capital B, we have to write small b. You can see here, what is this? Small b. And then we have a picture of balloon. This is a balloon. B-b balloon. B-b balloon. So from writing this, we have to start from the first, make a standing line, then start from here, go down, 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 curve. Then again make a standing line. This is, I think, easier than the capital B because this is the small b and it is the half shape of the B. So we have to start from the middle line, then make a curve, 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 go down और यहाँ पे touch करेंगे इसको. Then again right here. अब मैं middle line से start कर रही हूँ and then going down. Oh no, ये तो line से बाहर निकल गया. I have to touch this dot. ये तो out हो गया और अगर मैं इसको अब touch करूँगी तो it will be very bad. It looks not nice. So I am going to erase this and we are going to write this again. You can see, start from the dot, go down, down here and then touch the line. If we have to follow lines, then this is nice B now. This is the happiest B. Right here, standing line and then start from here, go down and touch the dot. This is small b. Now we have written first the capital B and then the small b. This is capital B and this is small b. I hope this will help you in writing. So now we are going to do an activity. So after the writing and reduction of B, we are going to do some activity of B. You can see in my hand, I have a brown paint and a piece of cotton in my hand. And you can see this is a cute bear. This is a cute bear because bear starts from the sound of B. So this is bear. This is bear. So let's know what we have to do with the bear. We have to do cotton printing with the brown color and paste buttons on the bear. First we will do the cotton printing with the brown color. Then we will paste some buttons on the belly of bear. So starting from the paint, we have to dip. We have to make a roll of a piece of cotton and then dip this into the color. And then starting from here, I am going to just tap tap, tap, tap. We are doing a cotton printing in bear. Wow, this looks nice now because bear is of mostly in the brown color, na? So we are doing the colors in bear. We are tapping the color on the skin of bear. I hope it will look nice after the completion of this. So I am going to dip this again, doing this part. This is a cute bear which is going to be in the brown color. We have to be careful. Eyes तो brown नहीं करनी ना हमने उसकी. So we are leaving this part and then sides पे हम इसको color करेंगे because brown color looks nice on the bear. And then just tap here, here, the missing parts, and then go down. We are leaving the lips area also, and then going down. Yeah, now the half body of bear looks brown and the lower is of white color. We will do it fastly because the bear is anxiously waiting to be brown. It's a new color of bear. And hope it's loving this, the smile color, na? So he is loving the brown color. We have to do it fastly. The bear in cute brown color. This is a cute bear and we are doing cotton printing in the bear. We are doing cotton printing in the bear. So wow, we have done so much brown on it. Now going to the lower part and we are almost near to the finish. Doing the mid part. We are tapping the brown color on the bear. Yes, like this, and the last side. Yay, done. We are almost done. This is the cute bear and we have done the brown color with the help of cotton on its body. Now its color is changed. First it was like white, the all white. Now it's of brown. After doing the color, as you can see, it has dried somehow. We have a basket in which I am having some buttons. These are different buttons and we are going to paste them on the body. So I am going to take the help of the UHU. First you will open it and then you have to have the UHU here a little bit, just a small part of UHU, not the very much UHU. So pasting the which color I should choose? I have so many colors, yellow, purple, red. So I think I will go with the yellow first. I am pasting the yellow button here. Yay! The teddy bear with the yellow button. Then the next one and next one. What color? Purple or red? Say purple or red. I guess red this time. Red here. Wow, this looks handsome now. We are going to have some other UHU and then I am going to take the purple color from the box. Purple button and then I am going to have the green button. I have also the green color, so I am trying to have the next color on this. And is it enough or one more button we need? We need one more button to look the bear so cute. So I am going to have the pink button on the body. Yay, we have done. The bear is looking so nice now and it looks so cute with the buttons now. We have done the cotton printing first, then we have pasted some buttons on the bear. This is very easy activity. You can also do this activity at home or like other any activity at home. So you can enjoy the learning process of letter B. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.